warm, bright, and lovely morning, Charlie is going to call Billy to play in the garden.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Billy silly, wake up now, it's time to play.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
He asked me to come here to go sightseeing, but he's still sleeping.
Maybe you are early. Do you know what time it is? Charlie, look at the time on Billy's clock over there.
It is too high to see. I can't reach there. Yeah, I think this idea should definitely work.
Careful, Charlie.
I can manage this.
Oh no! What is this noise? Where is my other shoe? I was wearing both of them.
Forget it, Billy. Come on, let's go out.
I cannot go sightseeing or even play without my shoes, Charlie.
Billy is right, Charlie. Do you know, it's not at all safe to go for a walk or play without shoes.
Then won't I be able to play anymore?
Idea! Billy, can you get up and walk for me? Billy's lost shoe also makes the same kish noise as the other one. If we both remain silent and listen, then we can hear where the noise is coming from.
Not bad. You think so well, Charlie.
Oh, I can hear it. Can you hear it too?
Yes, I can hear it too. I think it's coming from somewhere nearby.
Billy, the noise is coming from the shoe that you're wearing.
Oh, sorry.
Billy, why don't you keep the shoe in your hand for a while?
Okay. Now be quiet. Let's try to listen once again. Hey, the noise is coming from the vegetable garden. Come on, let's go.
Garden thief! Garden thief!
Oh no, we are not thieves, Lily. I am Charlie and this is Billy without shoes. But tell me, why were you standing here like a ghost?
Tuba garden! Security doll! Ooh. I got you! You are as small as a pod, but you have eaten 5 kilos of beans, huh? Go away from here now! Nobody can steal anything from my garden while I'm on watch. What has happened here? Oh, so you did this. What do you think this place is? Garden or playground? You clumsy Charlie!
No, Kemi. Shoes. Keech.
Billy has lost his shoe, Kemi. That is what they are searching for. Did you happen to see it anywhere?
These boys don't keep anything safe. How does that shoe look? I'll look for it. Here, it looks like this, Kemi. It makes a keech sound when you walk in it.
We heard this noise coming from this garden just now. That's why we came running here to find it.
Yes, I heard it. Let's try to find it. We can find it easily if we split up in teams.
I can hear the keech noise again.
Aha! I found it. The noise is coming from that fence over there.
careful, Charlie. Don't bump into Tuba.
Whoa, Tuba!
My back. You clumsy Charlie.
Sorry, Tuba. Billy has lost his Keech shoe and he cannot play without that shoe. It has a nice Keech sound. Didn't you hear it? We all thought that the sound came from right here.
It came from here. Is it that noise?
Tuba, we could hear the noise while you were cleaning the binocular lens.
Biconcular. What does that mean?
Binocular. It means you can see objects at a far distance using this. Here, Charlie, look through this. It shows everything closer. And everything looks so big too.
Wow, it's really amazing.
Hey, Charlie, I think I can hear the Keech sound again. Listen carefully.
Yes, it's coming from somewhere far away. We will never be able to find it.
Yes. It's coming from a very far distance.
Yeah, just a minute. I have a great idea. Tuba, please, can I use your binocular for some time?
My binocular? Okay, use it.
Not there. Not there either. Hey, 1 minute. I found it. Hey, Billy's shoe is stuck with someone. Oh no. It's Elsie who is stuck in Billy's shoe.
Help! Somebody help me! I am stuck here.
Hey, Kemi, can you help him, please?
Help? Well, if I won't get dirty, then I'm ready to do anything. Oh God, thank you. You all saved me, rescued me at the right time, otherwise that shoe would have eaten me up completely. It enticed me with its shine.
Billy's Keech shoe is beautiful, isn't it? Now Billy is happy and we rescued Elsie too.
Yes, we could not have done it without everybody's help, especially without Tuba's binocular. We couldn't have done this without it.
Very good, Charlie. You are an intelligent pup indeed.
Hey! Yay!
Do you wish to see load of stories here? Then please subscribe this channel. Along with your friends and family, enjoy all the videos of Magic Box. Magic Box English, a place to learn lot of good things with happiness. Don't forget to subscribe.